This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Jeep Grand Cherokee headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct new headlight assembly for your vehicle model. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely off before you begin. Safety first, always. Next, you'll need to access the headlight assembly. This usually involves removing several plastic clips and screws that hold the front bumper cover in place. Carefully detach the bumper cover, pulling it gently away from the vehicle. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for fog lights, before fully moving the bumper aside. Take your time to avoid damage. Now, with the bumper cover moved, you can unscrew the bolts securing the old headlight assembly. There are typically 3 or 4 bolts to remove. Once loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors from the back of the old headlight. Then, position your new headlight assembly, reconnect all electrical plugs, and secure it with the bolts. Double-check everything is snug. Finally, it's time for reassembly. Carefully reattach the front bumper cover, ensuring all plastic clips and screws are firmly in place. Before you hit the road, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm both low and high beams are working correctly. This ensures your visibility and safety. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.